Takoradi money, ye chinchini ya abre. And America says the one when you the mate. Let me say the last point. It's a prepare papa or the bottle got the woman I am the Ogyaba to show the non
Onyameba nyame onhyira wo onka wo ho oma de ohwehwe bia onsa enka wonimu say on the 21st of January ye nyina ye kwakwa kohyia ewo eye Takoradi kwadwokurum enya asori na me baba beye enya asori na emom afe na hya ase saa etwa say woni odiifo hyia na ye kaneoma ba ko mienu bi bom ma wo said ye beya wadwuma sam ni beye yentira
for past almost 6 months in me buy wo me dwuma sem the chance but Yankopon Daruma no be mama location the ba wo so Ogyaba ho na no buy no mama akwanche ni pomiwie na kwan na bi timidias asida kese we koma Yankopon na menua ma mu wo fie a omunjindi no mo so mo mbra na me wa ha wo how bi a wo kete bia no de ba ha ba ya mo enua no nese ayazan bi enya azan obi obeka cho so azan bi asanyi pa no wa wo ankasa tu anamo na bra utu anamo ba ade bia achedi ama obi ano before di force no Yankopon ba
enti enche omu behunu se uwo UK shape mu krakra wona mfofo ne
enua mu mikro bia madam fofo obi a watne fi acha ade bi choking no ohu bebi o dignity be fa ombra
me pesa wo a wo hwe me wudi adanse wo Takoradi a wo pesa wo ni yehia oh me pesa me ni wo mienu yehia e wo Takoradi kwadwokurum eye apostle paka asori ho a ai me baba betena office wo ho na me ni wo mienu ye di nkomo omo support ye TV no omo sponsor TV no ama TV na gina so abetum sesei me ne saafo na baba bihia me no omo baba bihia na ma bompa ye edi ama wo mo ye wi a ye nya akwanya di nkomo ba ko mienu na me di akwankyera ma wo mo me di akwankyera special ba edi abemo mo no mo di ahye afena se yie twasam ne ka se mi se ko bi ni nyansa wo mu se urade ena me bisa me ho se na hefa na wokohia urade no wakwa ko bisa no ai enunti ena o se onyame wonye bibi gisi wayi na bi a kire ne nko adifo bi te se Dr. Ogyaba enunti 21st January me Takoradi kwadwokurum 22nd eno so mesha ase entem January na mefi ho entem because mesa akwa Accra enunti 21st January fashe wutirem se mo amoya me sponsors am Takoradi me toa mo ho na me ne mo baba bidi nkomo na madam ase the whole year ni nyina enema amoye ye biara in fact aso awurade ani asomani na me nipa kra na asomani na wo na Yankopon die awurade de baba beye wo ne wabusua no wo ebeje wo nsem firi se wo firi wakoma mu se wo boa na dwuma wose na hwan na di ka che mi bibi na manhye na nemu enu ti sponsors am Takoradi sponsorship meeting ena meba ne sa no
and they to come by date of birth shame powder or bomb mama going to but doing yamo is no meja ehu dream na kaka boy mama amende no way dream pa that's our Ghana ha ncha baba abopo ya hade inde ya wade mbra
ama enra me kai se me
papa
and then I was say
Mbocho asema kan no ye no kora etindi bianyi na mara mu kodu fie ni na mo edu in fact ye fa ye sister ko kan we kada ye ba san ko no nya ho kuma ye kodu fie bo na mende ni manche ndara nche we nya kwanna wa ba mo be hie ze ka che hen de da man de ye za ba ha ne de yenim de bibia la ewie ye
me ba Takoradi kwadwokurum triumphant fire embassy ekwa na meba apostle paka ho betimi afa number na ewo screen no na ye hia ewo Takoradi kwadwokurum na minim se Jesus Christ obefa ye nso a obeboa wo hyase efre number no na ka kiro mo se Once why a crowd say you could 1,000 Ghana say what they buy the sponsor said the beya TV ni be gyina so na ye num TV no e ka TV no every month the etu e be gye won sem ai hwe say TV na wo hwe na ultimate de dan itimi tua every month itimi tua 2.8 billion wo kra wo te ye no wo ye ma hyew ne bo a eno kire say eye sika kese pa na ye de bo TV ne ho ban said the beya ye ndum no eno mbusam say eh na Apostle Peter mo apen so a wo se na asore ne de ka nti oka asa omo nkotontoma hodie no mo fantu aka no enye se yen ya pen so de a anko beton aton nipa o enye easy but unim se nyankopon ayiwo wasi ho se enkan na wo sore bebo na adwumanti wo yi wo nipa ba si ho se wo mo na adwumanti na meto nsafro se 21st ye nyina ye hia ewo Accra 21st ye nyina ye hia ewo eye Takoradi kodokrum eye sponsorship meeting na minim say oba ama Kristo afa yenso na waboa wo
eja na ma de nyama ekekan na na meka ni ne sisu de papa
akumpo ya kire wona na bia
ye na wewa ni most ampata bo otasin ma no ye be ma ye otna ye de 7 table odidi ni na kire ya
tebura wona nanda wawu no
odidido wewu no kwaro so ye de plastic chairs na tables ma ha nto no bi ne ye kaka okra na anu na ebubu e kan ni na ni tiri mote adembro obi ani ye nana oye nipa wa bobo bro wa jidin pa oduwi ya odokonti kasa ye ke obi ara obete wa adembro obowu de ye nda akotu okon anti we a wewu kon obi ani
we na wawu no oba ha
Ekana
de wotie ekire akonya no wotena so ene ade no wotena so ekire si di ade ni teni bibi ni break ya pampi ya wo ene ye call wo sister ba ko so eka akwa asem na ye wie ne ba wo so mo ko du fie no ede na ye mo fie ho
John ye dem yele kan ye frɛ ye nsesa no bona amende ye frɛ ye maame de ye conference ko bia no ade na ye no nwa we de ye kokuma se ba so na aba wo ye baba
it is say ane se me ba Takoradi dia se ye mu nyam
ye baba o ye dem eja ade chi da manti da elbo
mo ye nhia Takoradi kodwokrum 21st January 2025 ya ye nyina ye hia a sponsorship meeting with the state seer ewo Takoradi kodwokrum na minim say wo mo Takoradi de omo ya aware se me ba ho a enema bibiri ne sisi wo ho adanse bibiri na eba ai enu tima ye hia 21st January ewo Takoradi kodwokrum 21st January ewo Takoradi kodwokrum ye hia for sponsorship meeting womo a ekon makoma se onfa sika 1,000 Ghana no famra meboa TV ya yetisui every month 2.8 billion enye sika ketwa enu tina wosofo ne de na dumama wani abere saa no me pa chaw eye nkɔ ne ho nkɔ kase papa na ade na TV na dum eye mu nyina mu TV ba je se wa mboa na ma na ntua enu tina ni TV na dum me pa chaw yemfa nyuntuhunu enkɔ ba asra sɔre nti ansa na abekɔ akɔka kyerɛ o spiritual father say onso ni TV no na wo kwa na bibi kuta wonsam ai se ye TV na timi agina so abetum sese ya na ne fa hye utirim se eyi sika pa na etua de ama K94 no anu ti ma ye nhia eye Takoradi kodwokrum 21st January na momwa ma TV ni nyina so 2025 I am telling you say Jesus Christ abasa wa maso ewo so ene de obemma so wo dwuma sam so no TV we enum da ma ye nhia I am meeting my sponsors at Takoradi kodwokrum 21st January. We are all meeting there. And I know for sure that I will become a blessing unto your life.
Hello, Ebusianfo. Upamucho, your friend Janet. Meba Transformation Factory, Ewo Accra, Madina, Abokobi. Nyankopon nam yedi for Dr. Ogyaba so asesa no shebe. Sa wankasa wo sha, baby amigina London. Nanka adie entimi embemu wa bra odifu yi. Na hoden anase the difu juma no enka ho ese mo hwe me a mmerɛ bi atwa mu mebaa Madina Abokobi Transformation Factory na meyɛ me process ɛfa akwantuo ho. Ɔmo refuse me. Nanso meba bɛhu odiyifoɔ yi ɛna ɔde akwankyerɛ egu akwan mu. Ɔmaa me ɛyɛ akwankyerɛ bi a ɛda bi ɔno ankasa ka sɛ adiyifosɛm no ɛnyɛ nyansasɛm na ɛyɛ nyamesɛm ampa. Ɔmaa me to nsuo gu yɛfie nkyɛnse so no ebi sɔɔ m'apampam. Na ɔka kyerɛ me sɛ menya yɛ saa direction na Nyankopɔn bɛsesa nneɛma. Afei ɔmo refuse me visa no ɔmo ankasa ne san frɛ me sɛ ɔma yɛ ama me enti membra megye. Wei kyerɛ Nyankopɔn tumi ɛne n'ahoɔden a ɔnam yɛdiyifo yi so ɛde yɛ adwuma. Meka wei ɛde ahyɛ ɔfoforɔ bi nkuran sɛ Nyame tumi ɛda ho a ɛyɛ adwuma. Enti wa w'ani da so asa w'aba mu abu no Onyankopɔn wɔ hɔnom sɛ ɔbɛfa yɛdiyifo kɛseɛ yi so ɛde aboa wo. Sɛ woahwɛ a ɛnɛ bɔgasɛm no yɛ adwuma akasa. Enti meda Nyame ase. Na mɛda me diyifo nso ase sɛ ɔde n'akwankyerɛ me mpaebɔ ne biribia ɛtoo fam na ɛne da yi me nso megyina aburokyire. Nyame adom me baayɛ biribiara ɛda n'akwan mu pɛpɛɛpɛ. Mekyia mebusuafoɔ obi biara Transformation Factory obi a ɔba transformation biara.
The Bible says, give and it will come back to you. Good measure, pressed down, shaken together. That will be your portion. So when you are about to give, just avail yourself into the things of the Spirit. Believe in the prophet and God will make you prosper. And so let's all join hands together to support a good cause. This 23rd January, I am coming to Takoradi Kojokrum. Takoradi for Amalami Yanum Fantefo, neighbor Takoradi, neighbor Kojokrum, Takoradi Kojokrum, into Intrabanfo, Takoradi Kosimintimfo, Takoradi, secondly Takoradi for one in our over Takoradi Kojokrum.
Takoradi Mane, Yeti Abre, and America says the one when you know the match Nankasa. Let's say able to last point. It's a prepare papa or about to God or but woman I am the Ogyaba to said the non here. As you show me will be a look on a be a good dra. Then to my why you wait mamma also made. It's upon Sanambra.
Mamma kind that there, my Mrs. Work and Takoradi for second dear bra. Yes, let pa Dr. Prophet to double financial upon one, yes, though, or Dr. Leba, Yenya, bra, as you come in, Bushy, and Shebu.
Yamimi Yenshia, sa 23rd January no, and 22nd January no, 2025 ya na Erade Famiswa. Oba bwa wu nipa or peba.
First meant to pay and Radishan. I dance D and your deba. Say, yeah, but Rani and Nina. So, as you buy first man to look at the and essentially dead one.
I showed Yamia be a mammy. When you meet Eba has a shaba, Yamia do, the who papa, a fire funo, a kakaka, my Yame as friend as you dream. No fee, when Yamaka Chelsea, Yame will fear bra, never Joe dear, the other come as you bra, never Yama. Dema, Omujam, Moon, Kwam, won't come on you on the home. Won't come one of me show, when you're crying. Yeah, Yame, I hear with your idea for my journey.
23rd January 2025. Yenina Yeshia, a sponsorship meeting with the state seer. I will Takoradi Kojokrum. Let me say, one more Takoradi, the Omo Yahweh, Semi Bapa, and Niama Bibri, Mrs. Siwo, a dance ye Bibri neighbor. Aye, and Utima Yenshia, 23rd January, I will Takoradi Kojokrum. 23rd January, I will Takoradi Kojokrum. Yeshia for sponsorship meeting. Or more a coma say on for 1,000 Ghana. No family bua TV ya tisui every month 2.8 billion. Enye sika ketwa. Enu tina was often the ene dumama when ya bresa no me pa chaw. Eye nkwa no honko kase papa na ade na wo TV na dum. Eye mu nyina mu TV. Ba je say wa amwa na ma na ntwia. Enu tina ni TV na dum. Me pa chaw yemfa nyuntuhunu enko ba asra sori. Nti ansa na abekwa akoka kire o spiritual father say onso ni TV no. na wɔkɔ a na biribi kuta wɔn nsam. Ae sɛ yɛnyɛ TV na tumi agyina so abɛpem sesei a na neɛ fa hyɛ wo tirim sɛ ɛyɛ sika paa na yɛtua de ama K-Netfoɔ no. Ɛno nti ma yɛnhyia ɛyɛ Takoradi Kwadwo Kurom 21st January na mommoa ma TV no nyina so 2025. I am telling you say Jesus Christ abasa wamma so ɛwɔ wo so ɛne deɛ ɔbɛma so wɔ adwumasɛm so no TV enum da. Ma yɛnhyia. I am meeting my sponsors at Takoradi Kwadwo Kurom 21st January. We are all meeting there. And I know for sure that I will become a blessing unto your life. The Bible says, give and it will come back to you. Good measure, pressed down, shaken together. That will be your portion. So when you are about to give, just avail yourself into the things of the Spirit. Believe in the prophet and God will make you prosper.
Ogyaba nyame enhyira wo. Ghana fo nyina eyeme kwame apia me ne mehwe lab na ye kasa fi US. Eye papa Ogyaba enwosra na ma yesu ya sebi. Me kai say mra ye ko interview ye documents no na problem wo. Yankasa kra ni enim. Yankasa kra ni enim ba papa Ogyaba e ka che say document in problem wo ye kodu embassy wansa ye detect sa problem but na Ogyaba nyamenti na e wo say yensa ka visa papa ma ya kwanche ka krebi ya kwanche ni wie no problem na embassy no omo ntimi ehumpu na mo detect nyame enhyira Ghana fo nyina nyame enhyira papa Ogyaba nyame enhyira Ogyaba fie efi se nya nyame a enka yen so se no kwa ye be de ni asebi papa ngosra bibi o ye bia ye no kore se onkonkro wo mu a ukọ papa Ogyaba fie a bo se nyame ena de ne ye adwuma enti mo a mo Ghana na mo adwen aye mo ntanta no wo problem wo ho mfa nhyɛ ho ko Ogyaba fie na kwanche o de be ma no ebema ekwan ebiebi na wo nso wasebi this year yeah ye begu US papa Ogyaba a platform so a ye wo nipa bro 1000 omo nyina no dia ni say wo betie na asem na ne obekire obi abeye na wo hu say onyankopɔn na one ne nam no ono nso obeye bi aba wo nso wasebi michia Ghana fo nyina michia Koforodua fo nyina michia mabusuafo nyina
na me so problem a me wono ma mechia mi hu so na me se da bi me hu ni TV so ma me a me kwahwe se ye no kra e na me tu anamo na me bai
Who bi ɛna wɔda
e no kra
na saa wɔn no wɔda na de ɔmo ni taw
ye di ai bo gina mu na da di start se o ke kan sem o ke na sem o ke kan no ni nyina ye no kra
until said madam we until said wo passport ɔmo ye yesu suma de ma boss on fire ye di so abe yes ɛyɛ saa o ko 10 times
me so da ye no me passport me ni me da so ya se son no
ya se son we ni me da passport
ntimi gina ha e ya se da me ba no che se visa sem na me ni da na de kiki me kura ni se adansia me hu o TV so no e na me se ma me so me fa me ni be hwa ade me ba ye ni e de ama me Canada utifie na wo hwe fi se bibi ni wo ni Canada ye de ama me.
Come be blessed, come meet your prophet. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
So Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from the MacLeod family, Canada. We wish you all the best. I have encountered Prophet. Come and encounter him and your life will never be the same. Bye. Love you all.
God has been so good to me. Last year, June 2023, June, I was here with my family, the entire family. My aunties came from the US, my cousins from the US, we came here. We were here, yeah, and you gave a prophetic word. You said something about my ministry, and you called my name direct, without me saying a word. When I sat down with my family, you called me, you said, Apostle, get up. And I rose to my feet. Yes, I was sitting here at the last seat. And you said, Apostle, get up. There is a word for you. And I got up and you started speaking into my life. You said you see the ministry becoming a household name. And man of God, prophet, if I tell you what God has done from that point on, you said somebody is going to build a church for you. And the church building, as I speak, has started. The building has started. You said your ministry will become a household name. You mentioned the name of my church. You said this church will become a household name. Man of God, as I speak to you, I have free airtime on radio. I don't pay a dime. I don't pay a dime. I have free airtime on radio. And the things that God is using me to do is amazing. And the church building, when the church started, people thought that this is not going to work. But after I set foot here, before we came here, I had been speaking to my family about my ministry. I've been telling them, this is what the Lord is doing. Come and support, come and support. Nobody was willing to move. But after that word, just one word, sometimes it takes a word, just a word. And after that word, the church building now is on the level that is almost by September, October, we'll complete the building. Wow. I'm telling you, prophet, and not a CD or a dime for my personal funds. Not a CD or a dime for my personal funds. So if you are sitting down there saying, I'm a pastor, it's not about nyame na asɛ wo nkɔ nyame na wo na we prophet a wo hyɛ nkɔm free ha kɔsi Israel. And yeah, no, sometimes you need a deeper prophetic word. You need a deeper prophetic word, and that's all it took. Because Ogyaba we started me for almost getting to 7 years in me nye nipa krama ne nka sɛ me uye program me sponsor ebi a 5,000 po me ebi krensi ye. But when I came here and left, me ka ejuma nyame enamo so aya. It's amazing. Uka say ubenya invitations from overseas to come and do program here, come and do program there. And today, as I speak to you, I have many invitations in my email.
Sa pepepe enu ti me to nsafra wo. Se wonya odifo bi anim kotena, wonya kwanya kotena odifo nanim. Ade bi Awurade de adom ni bia no, ono so bue na koma mu no de adom wo. Enu ti na no. Paul ne Silas, Peter mo. Omo ye bi mankofo bi. Eno de nam so ma broadcast adoye nti owuye osan sore ye. Enu ti wonso emane free wo pem. Mane nkan wo free azim, ehimfa na wo free batakwa. Ena wo free ba ifacho brabe support TV ya yete so yi sade ebe ya yenum no awo ba me sika ne dwete enya no bi na me de bema wo me bema wade bi asika ntinento wo de akwankyere kogu akwan mu aware kwan bebie akwantu kwan bebie abawo kwan ne bebie ade bi ada wakoma so pia alka Kristo obefa mso ayama ma yenhia Takoradi Kwadwo Krom 23rd January a sponsorship meeting 22nd so mesanso wo ho nyame onhyira